Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing an early morning drive to work. Right now it's about 6:32 a.m. We're gonna just be driving, see what happens on the freeway. Nothing special. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing a drive to work. We got about, on the maps it said, an hour and 10-minute drive because of all this traffic. So traffic's gonna get really heavy right now, just because I know this is a spot right here. So I'll pick up the camera when the traffic starts to open up. Yeah. This is the daily routine right here. Wake up in the morning, get ready, then have a long drive to work. Always, the drive is around 50 to an hour drive. Usually it's 45 to 50 minute drive, but today everybody's coming back from a holiday. Kind of expected it to be a long drive today, only because we did have that holiday. So yeah, now the drive is ending up to be an hour and I think I said 10 minutes. I checked it before I left the house, and there's a lot of traffic. If there was no traffic, I think I'd say a good 45-50 minute drive, but that's a rare occasion right there when it's like that. It's usually on Friday. Usually Fridays is when it starts to open up, and that's when I can get to work in like 40-45 minutes. Yeah, Chargers are daily, man. It's already pushing 61,000 miles. I wish I had a daily, but yeah, I enjoy driving a big V8. No, it's the base, but still gets the job done. Looks beautiful. Has the sound. You can hear the V8. But the only thing is though, she kill gas. I hate that shit. I gotta fill it every 2 days. As you can see, I'm at 101 right now. So once I leave work, probably gonna fill it up. Probably gonna take $75 for me. Again, that's what it usually takes to fill up on 91 from where I'm at all the way to pretty much filled up. So not how do you say it? Oh my god, I can't remember how to say it, but I am not ready for that later on. It's starting to open up a little bit, but still there's gonna be some certain areas on the freeway where I know it's gonna get packed, so hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll see. Finally opened up a little bit more. But I know there's gonna be traffic again soon, so yeah. driving for an hour. Man, these people need to learn how to drive. I swear, there's traffic for no reason. Right now, I opened up. I did not see one crash, not one accident, nothing. Not even a car pulled over. There's traffic, bad traffic. I've been checking on the YouTube Studios. If you don't know what that is, it's an app where you can check how you're doing on YouTube. I don't know how to say the word analytics. Don't fry me. I don't forgot how to say it. Analytics. I don't know. But basically, where you can see how you're doing, your performance on YouTube, and how your views are doing, and all that. To the people that are watching the video and are liking, thank you. I don't know what else to say. Keep up the good work. I don't know. But thank you. Seriously, thank you. I'm going to be posting a lot more. And also watch out for early September. I'm going to be going to Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights on... SS. Oh, GTR. What the hell? Probably watching me record, like, what's this boy doing? Dang. But yeah, so I'm gonna be going to Halloween Horror Nights September, I think it's 9th, so it's gonna be the second day it opens, I want to say. But yeah, watch out for those videos. I'm gonna be recording the experience. We got the ticket for Express, so we're not going to be waiting in those 3-4 hour lines just to go into a maze. And yeah, I'm going to be recording all that. I'm going to be going through all the mazes. I don't know. I'm still deciding either to record each individual each individual maze and post them up individually, or just make one big vlog and show you everything. So comment down and tell me what you guys would like, and I'll be posting it. But yeah, watch out for that date. I'm gonna be doing Halloween Horror Nights September 9th, and then also planning to do Not Scary Farm. Don't have a date for that yet, but we are for sure gonna do that one. And we're gonna be doing Six Flags Fright Fest. So the month of September and October, make sure you keep your eyes out, because I'm going to be posting those videos shortly. Yeah. Oh, I put the camera down at the wrong time. There was all that traffic. There was actually an accident. It was a pretty crazy one too. It looked like an Acura and then an older Honda Civic. I don't know. It looked like one spun out, glass everywhere, big crash. There was like two fire trucks and like 4 or 5 cops. Damn, I can't believe I missed it, man. But They were pretty bad. One was all crunched up from the face of the car. The other one was all crashed from the side. It was pretty bad. Damn. Now we come to more traffic. Boom, just like that. Taking the exit. Still got like 4 miles in till we get to work, but long drive.
Purchase your track today.
And just like that, we are here. Oh my god, I'm blind. We are here. Finally made it. We're here. Like I said, keep an eye out for those videos for Halloween Horror Nights, which is gonna be this Friday. And we are also gonna be hitting up Not Scary Farm and Six Flags Fright Fest. Keep an eye out for those. Those will be coming up very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace.